time to Siva Samoa. Let's dance. Today for our Siva, we are doing Siva Afi or Ailau because there's no fire. So we've got our stick and we're going to be swinging it on our right side. So swing, 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 swing. And so we've done our Tamaiti. Now we're going to go to our angavale and we're going to swing with our angavale hand. Swing, 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 swing. Now we're going to do that again on our Tamaiti and we're going to count to 10. We're going to tasi, lua, tolu, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu, iwa, sefulu. Now we're going to go to our angavale, do the same thing and count to 10. Tasi, lua, tolu, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu, iwa, sefulu. And that is our Siva Afi, Siva Samoa for today.